Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Malibu gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release button inside your vehicle. This button is usually found on the driver's side dashboard, often near the steering wheel, or sometimes on the driver's door panel. Once you've found it, simply press the button firmly. You should hear a small click as the fuel door unlatches, allowing you to open it manually from the outside. If the electronic release button doesn't work, don't worry, there's a manual override. Head to your trunk and look for a small lever or pull cord. This is typically located behind the trim panel on the same side as your fuel door. Gently pull this lever, and it will manually release the fuel door. This is a handy backup if you ever encounter an electrical issue or a stuck mechanism. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the fuel cap. To remove it, simply turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. After fueling, replace the cap by turning it clockwise. You should hear several clicks, indicating it's properly tightened. This ensures a secure seal, preventing fuel vapors from escaping and keeping your vehicle's emissions system functioning correctly. If you're still having trouble, check for any debris or ice around the fuel door that might be preventing it from opening. Sometimes, a little lubrication on the hinges and the release mechanism can help keep things moving smoothly. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for pet owners and busy households. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Keep your Malibu running smoothly and your home sparkling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.